On any given day, cutting cement is my least favorite thing to do. It's noisy, it's dangerous, and the dust is unbearable. And when that finally ends, the hammering starts. At this point, you start questioning yourself. Why did you do this? And then the digging starts.
That afternoon, the pipes go in and the area becomes a playground. Looking at my injuries, I was excited to get some rest. But my son,
He jumped in my bed, fell asleep, and now I'm in his bed. When I was my son's age, I used to do fun run marathons, and I don't remember all the details, but the one embedded in my memory is the time when I ran into the stadium for the last few hundred meters and they started playing Chariots of Fire. Still today, I get goosebumps when I hear that song.
Like a villain, yeah, rah, 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 mitzy, mitzy, get